Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone and the Google Home device. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and you're connected to the Wi-Fi network you intend to use. Many devices prefer 4 GHz for range. Plug in the Google Home and wait for the setup tone or pulsing light. Open the Google Home app and sign into the Google account you want a link. Once done, tap the plus to add a device and choose Set up new device to begin the pairing flow. You'll now follow the app prompts to configure network details. When the Google Home shows in the app list, select it and verify the sound or code on the speaker matches the app. Allow Bluetooth and location when requested so the app can discover and link the device. Next, choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list. If it's hidden, select Add Network and type the SSID exactly. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check capitalization before continuing. You finish by letting the device connect and apply any firmware updates. This can take several minutes. Assign the Google Home to a room and test basic commands such as, "Hey Google, what time is it?" to confirm network access. If it fails to connect, reboot your router, restart the Google Home by unplugging and plugging back in, and try again. As a troubleshooting tip, if local Wi-Fi block setup, temporarily create a phone hotspot with the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.